So guys, welcome to the live stream. I think now the time is came to make the live stream. I already started, but the thing is that we have to make the new trades, and I'm just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes because new members will come here and they will not miss anything. The main important informations from the beginning they started. So I'm just waiting for the 1 or 2 minutes, and after that we will start to make first trade. Also, I will guide the regarding the basic steps everyone can understand easily. So guys, wait 1 or 2 minutes and we will start. Well, as I can see, a lot of numbers are joining here. Guys, if you are not listening my voice clearly, then you can write in the comment chat, so I will decrease the volume voice and you will listen earfully. I think the voice is clear. So guys, now I will not waste the time your and mine. I will start from the basic steps. Just stay here and look forward on the screen because you will get some basic steps and basic informations by which you can make also a lot of money. But the main thing is that you have to be patient, and let me decrease the volume because it's noisy. Ah. Now everything is fine. So we are going to make the first trade with the investment of the 300 from the, like, every time I invest with the duration of 2 minutes, you can choose for the 3 minutes. I will invest the 300 dirham on one time. So now we have to look on the graphs where the Japanese candlesticks are moving. So let's see. The structure is forming a little bit different, but they are looking like cool. I saw like many wicks are forming here. The bigger size of the wicks are forming, but we still have to wait, and I can make here one up trade because both the momentum lines are indicating the direction of the Japanese candlestick in the upward direction. So let's make and try. But I will suppose Asia Composite Index. Asia Composite Index is moving to the downside, so let's make a down trade, but it can be reached again to the upward. We can make one up trade. What do you think, guys? Let's make one up trade. Let's see what will happen about the first trade. It will gives the profit or loss. Guys, what do you think? So our bullish candlestick is gradually growing in the upward direction. ये जो हरे कलर की जो जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक बन रही है ये है बुलिश, और जो रेड कलर की है वो है बियरिश कैंडलस्टिक. So the guys, the main thing is that you have to check the pattern and analyze the criteria where they are going. Like now just only 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining, but before this it was completely moving to the upside, and now it came to the downside. But I will not stop myself, and I will make another stream in the upward direction. As you can see, it gradually came. Why I make the trade in the upside, even it is still far went, because I know when you can see this type of inverted hammer on your screen, then just make opposite direction, like it form in the bottom side with the red candlestick, bearish candlestick, and so it means that it is indicating after 1 or 2 minutes it will gradually grow up in the upward direction. So guys, our first trade is going to be profit now. Let's see and let's wait for the 30 seconds. Now let me make the another trade with the same duration, same amount. Only 15 seconds remaining and I am 1000% sure this will give the profit. As you can see, the yesterday live stream I got the profit of the 728 dirham because I invested 800 dirham. But there was a little loss in the yesterday stream because there was not enough time to recover the amount. You can see the first profit in front of all of your eyes. So guys, we make first trade successfully. Now the time is came. 1 second guys. I think now the quality is good of my face. Yes. So guys, what do you think? Where we have to make the next trade? Let me make again a up trade and let's hope for the best for the yes. I hope it will gradually grow up. Oh yes, this is completely moving to the upward direction and we have like a trade duration time is only 1 minute and 50 seconds. So guys, now only 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. I choose the duration. Guys, those who are newcomers here, those who don't know anything, you can ask in the comment chat what is this candlestick, why I use this candlestick, why I am using the below two lines, yellow and blue, what are the names, what is the uses, what is the benefits, what is the harmful effects, disadvantages. So guys, you can write everything. You have to just put a comment in the comment section. So I'm waiting because I'm ready to reply you. Everything is free of cost. And the first trade was going to be profit and now the second trade is going to be profitable after only 55 seconds. So guys, let's wait for the 55 seconds. And I'm thinking to make the third trade in the again. Oh yes. Did you notice guys? It was like completely moving to the downward and now it came again to back in the upward direction. Only 40 seconds remaining. 40 सेकंड बची है. कंटिन्यूस 3 प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स होने को जा रही है. जो कल लॉस हुए थे वो सब रिकवर हो जाएंगे. बने रहिए, देखते रहिए. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेड्स होने को जा रही है ये दोस्तों. Only 11 seconds. So guys, completely 2 profitable trades and the third one is going after the 1 minute and I'm just waiting for the 1 minute trade. We still have many chances that it will reach again to the upward direction. So let's make a up trade after a movement. 55 seconds remaining. Forty seconds. This is completely insane. This is going to profitable at any cost. So guys, you can see now the trade is started and this is going to be the third continuous profitable trade and it's profit. Result here, profit, and you can see this was the yesterday 728, and now continuous 3 profitable trades. 1, 2, 3. Here it's completely visible, 3 profitable trades. So guys, join it fastly. I am waiting. Well, today it's pretty cool because we can see like 3 continuous profitable trade of approx 1000 dirham, like 300 we can say, approx if I count it exactly, then it becomes like 250, 250, 500, 250, like approx exactly we can say them 800 approx dirham. You can calculate by it yourself. You can see now a inverted hammer is form of the bearish candlestick with the red Japanese candlestick in the upward direction if we look from here. So now it turned to the downside and we can make the another trade in the downward direction, but here it still has the opportunity. As you can see, it is trend up suddenly quickly in the upward direction. So here is like a little bit unpredictable change, but we can make one profitable trade again here with the minute of the 2-minute duration. Let it come back a little bit down, and then I will start to make one trade in the upward direction. Yes. Oh, now I will make the another trade. Oh, let's see. 2-minute, 2 trades. But the direction is completely changing to the downside. We still have the opportunity to move in the upward. But guys, the thing is that now we can see like both trades are visible profit. Now both are loss. We can't assume, we can't say anything when the trade duration lines are exactly near to the Japanese candlestick, because it can change anytime. So our final result is decided by only the last 1 second. Even I will say last 0.5 second. Let's see what will happen after the 2 minutes, because not 2 minutes, just 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now for 1 minute it was completely moving to the down, in the favorable condition in the upward, but from the last 20 seconds they changed the direction and it's moving downward. So I think these two will move in the loss. Well, we will recover them very easily. Let's wait. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask. I am waiting to reply you. 6-5. Did you see? The profitable trades become loss just because of the 2-3 seconds. It was completely movable a little bit upward, but in the end of the last 1 second, as I told you, the final result is always decided by only last 1 second. It reaches in the favorable condition if for 1 second the Japanese candlestick will cross over. मतलब आखिरी 1 सेकंड में अगर ये क्रॉस कर जाती जो हमारे ट्रेड की जो लाइन थी उसको, तो ये दोनों 1-1 सेकंड में प्रॉफिट में चले जाते, लेकिन हुए नहीं, क्योंकि आपको हम पहले ही बता चुके हैं हर चीज जो होती है वो डिपेंड करती है आखिरी 1 सेकंड पर। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं अगली 5वीं ट्रेड से। 3 तो 5 ट्रेड हम कर चुके, 6ठी ट्रेड I'm going to make now 6 trade. Okay, 6 trade. 3 profits, 2 losses, still 1 profitable trades. No need to worry about it. We are still in the profit. So let's start. Well, the Japanese candlesticks gradually increasing, as you can see here now. A little bit changing to the downside, but I will make here now in the upward direction because we still have the more chances to move in the upward, as you can see now. So here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And guys, it's changing the direction, but it still have the opportunity to move in the upward direction. So I make the 2-minute duration in the upward, because if I will lose this trade, then even after that I will become neutral. No profit, no loss. Amount will be neutral. Here is the chances it can give the beneficial, the profitable result, because it has the chances. But now there is no chances. It can give the loss. So let's wait for the final 1 second. Our result is always decided by 1 second. Remember guys, you don't need to make like a huge time period, like 1 hour, 5 hours, 1 day, 1 month. No, you can fix on the trade system, like there are option fixed time, which I use always, and I saw the stream on the fixed time trading. But mostly, or some other persons uses forex, stock. So we will not focus on them. Our topic is only fixed time. We will fix the duration of the trade like 2 minutes. After that we fix the time frame. It depends on your choice, but I recommend you to fix 1 minute, because according to this time frame, the Japanese candlestick is formed in new Japanese candlestick after like 1 minute. So this is like moving up, down, neutral, stable, constant. It will form and move to another side after the 1 minute. Well, only 26 seconds remaining. The profitable amount will become the neutral amount. So let's wait for a moment here now. So guys, now 3 loss, 3 profit. We came back again in the neutral amount. Okay, so let's wait. Here the chances are changing, guys. It is changing to the downside. It is not moving to the upward now, because the candlestick directions are changed. Let's make one down trade, because I am making continuous from the last 5 trades in the upward. So I think for upward it's enough. Let's make a down trade after this 1 minute. 9, 8, 7. See guys, after 1 and a new Japanese candlestick is formed here, as I told you. And yes, it came back again in the profitable direction. Now the chances are higher, and I will make only 30 seconds remaining, guys. Well, again need changing the direction. Okay, let's do one thing. As I'm making the continuous up trade, so let me make a down trade. The thing is that when I will start to make the down trade, it will change the direction to the upward. One loss, but it still have the chances to move in the upward direction. As you can see, it can turn back again, because here it also 1 minute, and here we have like 1 minute. So continuous 4 losses, 3 profits, and this is going to be profit, so it will again neutral amount. So guys, let's wait. As you can see, it was completely downward, but it instantly and like rapidly, very quickly it changed the direction and move upward direction. Let's make the another trade. 30 seconds remaining, guys. Oh, it's changing the direction to the downward in the end of the 12 seconds. But I will not stop myself to make the up trades, and let's make for the 3-minute duration in the upward direction. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah! Oh yeah, guys! It was really cool. It went a little bit upward 2 seconds before, but in the end of the last 1 second, it turned back to the downside. As I told you, our all trading, it depends on the time frame of the 1 minute or 1 second. Like time frame, this is the time frame for the 1 minute in which like a new Japanese candlestick is formed, but our result, final result, is decided by only the last 1 second. Even I will say 0.5 second, not complete 1 second, half of the 1 second. It decide our result. Like it can go upward, it can go downward, anywhere. Farhad Hassan, hi sir. Hi bro, how are you? I hope you are doing pretty well and enjoying. Well guys, I'm increasing the amount 800. We already have like 3 profitable trades and 4 losses, like still neutral amount, but these 2 trades will recover 3 losses quickly. So guys, let's wait for the 1 minute 20 second and 2 minute 40 second. What do you think? This is going to be profit or loss? You can write in the comment chat. Until I will listen the music and close my eyes, and I'm waiting the time period when it will finish. Well, here a pattern is formed, like one same size a bullish candlestick is formed. After that, one bearish candlestick is formed. 2 are together. If we minus from this, then we still have the opportunity to move in the downward direction. But we make like continuous, as I told you. Continuous, I am making the trades in the upward. And guys, I am really not feeling too much sad if I am losing continuously, because my motive is here is only to teach you. देखो, जब भी मैं यहाँ आता हूँ तो सिर्फ बताने के लिए आता हूँ, सिखाने के लिए आता हूँ. कोई ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ इन्वेस्ट करूँ और कमाऊँ. अब देखो आप यहाँ पे क्या होता है. Well guys, as I told you, देखो वो कम्प्लीटली ऐसा दिख रहा था कि लॉस पे जा रहा है, ठीक है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए, लेकिन वापिस वो आ गया. किस पे आ गया? ओरिजिनल पाथ पे आ गया. और जैसा कि आपने देखा है वो ऊपर जा रहा है. अब तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि वो नीचे आ जाए. तो ये भी हमारा एक प्रॉफिट जा रहा है. 52 सेकंड्स बची हैं. इसको कोई रोक ही नहीं सकता कि ये कोई लॉस चला जाए. अब हम काउंट करते हैं, देखो प्रॉफिट और लॉस को. 2, 4, 5 लॉस गए हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 प्रॉफिट हुए हैं. और अभी ये जो आ रहा है प्रॉफिट, ये 2 का प्रॉफिट है. 2 टाइम्स है. मार्टिंगेल स्ट्रेटेजी यूज की और इसका प्रॉफिट 712 होगा, मतलब 3 टाइम्स आप कह सकते हो. 250, 250, 500 प्लस 250, it was like 750, and here the amount is 712. So like 3 times I'm getting the profit here. So guys, now we can make one trade in the upward direction again, because now pattern will form exactly 1 second, guys. Oh, one mistake I did. Oh shit! Wow, this is really how I can say. Sometimes this type of situations when happen, we like lost our mind, like completely profitable, very far from our trade line. There is no chance that it will come back to the downside or like in another direction. But do you see, last 2 seconds it crossed the trade line, gave the loss. But this is not in our hand. We can just analyze the pathway, like on which and for how much time it will goes in the upward or downward. We can't assume like what will we move of the Japanese candlestick in the last of 1 second. Well, this is also not going to profit. Let me increase the amount by the Martingale strategy. Then I will more. Okay, let me show you what is the Martingale strategy. So guys, here I am increasing the amount of the 1800. I will explain why I am using the 1800, because it will recover this 800, these losses also. Let's make one trade in the uh, mhm. 30 seconds remaining and it's trying to move in the upward direction, but the final seconds will, oh well, both lines are moving to the downside, so I still have the chance it will move to the downside instead of the upward. Let's wait a little bit, because we are going to make the huge amount like 1800 dirham. Let's say it will gives the profit or loss. If this will give me the profit, it will recover the previous losses. If this will gives the loss, then I have to increase the amount again for making and recover the previous losses. So guys, the amount is very big and the trade is already started. Let's wait. Let's have a look on this screen, and you can write in the comment chat this is going to be profit or loss. Until finish the 2 minutes, I will check the gold. Oh wow, gold! Wow! Fantastic! Gold is moving to the upside. And this is, well, here is also chances to move in the upward direction on the Euro Composite Index. Let's check the, this is also pretty well moving in the upward direction and still have the chances to move. Let's make 2 times of trade. Well, it is completely moving to the downside. If I make it downside, it will move the upside. Well, I think guys, you are really enjoying here, because when you will see the 2 continuous big losses, then it will gives the feeling like for enjoyment. If we focus and if we look the another losses, like another person losses, so in the mind we think about it. Oh wow, he lose, but it's okay, because there are many tricks. The best strategy is Martingale strategy, by which we can recover. Only 16 seconds remaining now, and what happened with this, it is also moving to the downside a little bit. 55 seconds remaining. It still have the chances to move in the upward, but it is trying to move to the downside. Wow. See guys, when like after making the 7 or 8, or I can count them like 10 minutes, it's moving to the upward now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 trades I make in which like this is going to be upside right now, and continues these two losses because they didn't come back. Well, success rate is 31% now. See guys, it still have 2 minutes and it's a little bit near to the trade line, but it's still moving to the upside. You can see now. Well, in the end of the final 3 seconds, it reaches to the upward, and now I think it will again try to move to the upward. We have a little less time, only 1 minute 30 seconds now for watching the end result of this trade. Alam Poppy, good. Thanks for this compliment. Now let's see this is going to be profit or loss, guys. And just only 20 minutes left for finishing the trade. One minute left. Forty seconds remaining, guys. Well, now it looks like a little good, like both trade lines, and it is forming Japanese candlestick between the trade lines, and it still is trying to move to the upward right now. Yes, it crossover to the upward. The previous was a loss. We have to check now in the moving downside. So 13 seconds remaining, and it's very near to the upper side. 654. Oh, it's finally in the end of the 1 second, reaches to the upside. Only 1 minute left, guys. When you will see this type of Japanese candlestick on the upper side, then the chances are like a little bit increased to move to the continuous upside, or maybe to the downside. Both things can happen here. Let's see. Only 30 seconds remaining here now, and this is very near to the trade line. It has to move to the downside for a movement, so it can give the profit or loss. Both things can happen. Let's wait. Well, guys, the time is going to be finished, and before finishing the stream I will make 4000 dirham one time. Let's see this is going to be profit or loss. Let's wait for the 18 seconds and then we will get the exact information, like it will move to the upside or downside. Well, here the chances is moving to the upside, right? The amount is really big. Let's see, and I will check on the stream when it will gives the profit. Okay, until I am just moving and turn back to the back side. Just inform me when you will see the result. It can be loss or it can be profit, guys. Just imagine if we got this profitable amount of the 4000, then it will recover the previous two trades in just single time, and after that two will remain. So let's wait. Guys, what do you think? 1 minute left. It is going to be profit or loss in the upward direction or downward direction. Only 50 seconds remaining now. Well, like same time of the trade duration and the candlestick. So let's see. 38 seconds remaining, guys. It's trying to move downside, but it still have the chances to move in the upward direction. Only 25 seconds. Guys, look here. This is very interesting trade because here invested 4000 dirham and the profit will be 3560, and they are become the loss just because of the 1 second. Did you see? They become the loss just because of the 1 second. Before this it was completely moving to the upper side in the favorable condition, but here in the end it, unfortunately. Let's try to make in the 10 minutes to recover this amount. But here the chance is that it will come back again to the downside after a moment. So let's wait for the wait. Guys, when you will see like a lot of losses, let's check the another composite index. Gold one is a little bit like good. It is trying now to moving in the upward direction. And it's a composite index moving to the downside now. Let's check the history. Upward, downward, upward. Okay, we can make for 1 minute or 2 minutes in the upward direction, but let's say wait because maybe the another candlestick will form to the downward and we make upward. Let me make on the Asia Composite Index. Well, now it's just completely moving to the downside, so let's wait for a moment here. Guys, what do you think? This is going to profit or loss? Because here you can see in the end movement it formed here. And now it can try to move a little bit to the downside because it still have the chances. Yes, it's trying because both lines are moving to the downside now. And I think the graph will move right now only to the downward direction instead of the moving upward because I'm making a huge trades here. Only 30 seconds remaining now, and let's see what will happen after the 1 minute. And how many time? Only 1 minute left. And see guys, this is going pretty well, and the time is also just only 15 minutes we have, and then I will finish this live stream. What do you think guys? Oh, we still have the 38 seconds. Well, now this is become interesting trade, like where it will move finally in the upward or downward. As you can see here, just only 20 seconds will decide the 4000 dirham will become the profitable or loss. Well, it was completely profitable if I make it just for 1 minute, but here in the end of the 10 seconds it's moving to the downside right now. Can you see? How many seconds remaining? 5. So guys, today I think it's a bad day. We have to wait here and let's see what is going to be happen. So guys, only 34 seconds remaining now, and the chances are completely in our favorable condition. Only 15 seconds remaining guys. Guys, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and see, very near to the trade line, and this is the biggest profit of the 2 days stream, 5340, and 5 profitable trades you can see here guys. So So guys, the time is almost done. Like one trade recover the four losses trades, and now we can make the another trade with the small amounts because they can easily recoverable now. There is not too much big loss, but as compared from the beginning amount, it still have the losses. But we can recover them on the next stream because for today the time is enough to make the live stream. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask here without any hesitations. I saw you on the live everything like really. You can see by your own eyes. The losses you can see, the profit you can see, the amount you can see. What I am saying you can exactly listen on the instant moment. So guys, we will meet, we will see each other on the next live stream. You have to just subscribe the YouTube channel, join the Telegram channel, get the updates from everywhere so you don't miss any updates from the Telegram or YouTube channel for the new videos, new strategies. And you can also share with your friends, you can join with them. Come back here again guys. It's time to say goodbye to everyone. And now let's check the another composite index is well, it's trying to move to the upward, right? I can also because it's like exactly till here it formed. Now it's turning back again to the upside. Guys, I think for today it's enough. As you can see, now it's turning back again to the downside. Before this it was moving for 1 minute, it was moving in the upward direction. Now the second Japanese candlestick is moving to the downside, and I hope you really enjoy. I can say like the starting some trades was in the loss, and there are like many losses, but I don't care about the losses because I have the huge amount to recover them. As you can see, by just one single trade of the investment of the 6,000 dirham, I got the 5,340 dirham, and but I still have that some losses, but they will like recoverable according with the time. But I will suggest you don't need to invest a huge amount for greedy nature. Like for maybe you will think, if I invest 6,000 like me, like here, then I will get the profit. Yes, it's true. If you will invest huge amount, you will get double amount, like profit amount huge. But if you lost, then the also huge amount will lose. So the best thing is that you have to invest according to your budget, according to your income, according to your money, like how much amount you have in your account. First of all, you have to deposit, then you have to invest. I will suggest invest a small amount, so you can make the trades many times, several times without minimum risk. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. We will see each other again on the next live stream. Everything was perfect, fantastic. Now the time is came to say goodbye to everyone. So guys, bye. Have a good day to everyone. This profit is really cool.